there's a bus go round and round. Our
Okay.
grapes, banana.
Okay. Did you know that 90% of a child's brain develops by the age of 5? Incredibly, it doubles in size in the first year and keeps growing to about 80% of adult size by the age of 3 and 90% by age 5. No wonder they are so full of energy. And as parents, it's our responsibility to channelize this energy in the right direction rather than letting them drift into the world of televisions and cell phones, harming the cognitive development of our children. As a mother who is in constant hunt for activities for my kids, I came across the ClassMonitor Learning Kit. Carefully designed by early learning experts, the kit contains over 250 plus activities. What I found so interesting is that this one box contained the curriculum for an entire year. It's split into age groups from 1 to 8 years to impart age-appropriate learning. Obviously, we went for the nursery kit and Solly was way too excited to dig in through the contents. It's divided into 14 categories that includes literacy skills, numeracy skills, birds, insects, colors, community helpers, flowers, fruits and vegetables, human body, rhymes, shapes, stories, and modes of transportation. Each category contains activities, games, dramatic play, manipulative play, flashcards, worksheets, rhymes, and stories to ensure child's deep engagement in joyful learning while simultaneously providing an opportunity for parents to have fun with children and bond with them at the same time. What makes it even better is that the learning is experiential and screen independent, which is very, very rare these days. Ever since COVID, most of us parents have certain concerns like how do I keep them away from screens? Or how will all of this chaos affect my child's development, all the skills, if they're literally locked inside? Well, you don't have to have a PhD in child psychology. Our kids just need lots of love, attention, and stimulation to thrive. And the likeliest place for them to get all this is at home with you. Thanks to ClassMonitor to help us all out. Schedule about 15-20 minutes of quality time daily for doing an activity with your child, and mark my words, you guys, the result is going to be tremendous. It's a complete homeschooling kit which is fully enabled through digital app for parents.